How to fix your Android battery drainage issue. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys a few methods to mitigate your battery drainage and increase your battery life on Android. Let's just get started. The first thing you have to do is turn off certain settings that keeps running in the background all the time. Go over to settings. From here, scroll down all the way until you find Google Services and tap on it. From there, go to all services at the side. Then you need to find devices over here. And you'll find this option called scan for nearby device. So what it does is it's going to constantly scan in the background if there are any devices nearby to connect with. So just tap on it to toggle it off. This is by the Google's official site, but there is one other setting you need to turn off. That is by the phone's developers. So all you have to do is go back here and then find the option for apps and tap on it. From apps, tap on the three dots at the top right. Then go to permission manager. Then you have to find the nearby devices option. Once you have done that, all you have to do here is find the option to turn off nearby devices scan for other apps. So tap on the three dots at the top right at the on the right side and show system. And you'll find something called Android System Intelligence over here. Tap on it and then tap on Don't Allow. Then tap on Don't Allow anyway. Once you've done that, do the same thing for Android Setup. And once you've done that, tap on Don't Allow again. And tap on it one more time and you're good to go. Then what you need to do here is simply go to your connection settings. So go all the way to up top, go to connections. And from your connections, all you have to do is go to more connection settings and find the printing option. Make sure the default print service is turned off and the nearby device scanning is turned off as well. And that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.